Hello friends! In this video, I want to teach you how to verify your account on the CEX.io exchange. After the registration section, we go to the verification section, where we are informed that we need to verify our account through the CEX application. Using the application, scan the specified barcode. Then you select your country of residence. In addition, enter your state, postal code, and city, as well as your full address. And if you wish, you can also add your apartment address. Then click on Continue. In the next step, you select your country of residence again. You select the type of document for verification, and we chose the national ID card. Then click on Upload your document. In this section, you upload a photo of the front side of your ID card by clicking on Upload Photo. And in this section, you upload a photo of the back side of your ID card by clicking on Upload Photo. In the next section, you review the information you have saved, and if you wish, you can change the information by clicking on the relevant section. And in the document serial number section, you enter the serial number of your ID card. And finally, you click on Continue. In the next step, you need to take a selfie with your ID card. And after taking the selfie, click on Upload Photo. Your documents will be under review, and you will enter your account dashboard. To check your verification status, we click on Profile and go to the Profile section. In this section, you can see that our account was verified in less than 5 minutes. Good luck!